Good evening, and I just currently wake up and I forgot to record diary before I go to sleep. So right now I'm just doing that. So there's currently a typhoon right now, and we were supposed to go out and exercise. Me and my brother was planning to do badminton, but it got cancelled because upon going to the location, the guard said that they are not allowing visitors, although the storm was supposed to get at late afternoon to evening. We go there at the morning, so we just go to the McDonald's and just eat out. And I was supposed to learn how to ride motorcycle, but it got cancelled as well because of the typhoon. And yes, I'm just looking forward to another session because I really want to learn how to ride, and that's it. And all my group chats are currently um, saying keep safe because it's really a super typhoon, and it's not much rainy or windy here in my location, so that's pretty good. But the location that they are in is on the eye of the storm, so I'm hoping for their safety as well. And that's all. Right now, I will just write on my diary, and yeah, I just woke up, so I'm gonna play mobile games, and or I might just watch a video. That's all. Bye. And also, if T1 wins another world champion, I'm gonna completely give up watching League of Legends tournaments overall because it's getting pretty boring watching the same team win again and again. Yes. Bye. And the worlds for League of Legends just ended, and I will now check if they won. Bye.